go out of the room and check out the brand new day, the very new morning. And it's super cold and windy. Don't know the temp, but feel like getting sick and fever. Check out the view of the lakeside. Super cold. And the table and the chairs on the deck, the balcony here. And then over there is the car park, and somebody are doing some activities like riding ATV and riding the bike and a lot more. And check out the other bungalows. So there are some with the lake view and some without. When the gardener. So our room has a one big size bed, but those one with the rocky wall have got the two small beds. Okay, let's go check out the lakeside. Yay, brother in red! Christmas! Oh, it's freezing cold and it keep the wind come very windy, and every time it's so windy sound like it's raining. Many trees. Well, this is not the life I could find in Bangkok. And this is Lopburi province. Around 3.5 hours drive from Bangkok to Lopburi province. Somebody is riding the ATV car, having fun. Very great weather, just too cold. But it's alright. Love it cold, better than hot one. And that is the sun. Whoa. The one I'm having here is bungalow A type, a little bit bigger, and there are only 4 rooms. So counting that one, two of them, that one, and this one, 4 of them now, and the rest over there. Around 8 rooms are bungalow B type, a little bit smaller, and maybe something different in the room. And there are another thing like lakeside villa, which looks very interesting to me because it's not so woody like this. And there are like 2-3 stories building with a few good rooms, but that one is in the swimming pool and front desk area, and that one looks great too. Okay guys, saying hi and farewell. Going to leave around 11 or noonish back to Bangkok. Pasak Lakeside, no, Pasak Pasak Hillside Resort Hotel in Lopburi Province. Have a great day, guys, and enjoy your weekend. Ooh, can you hear that? Alright, guys. Bye bye for now. Bye.